I mixed something very simple into this fenugreek water and my hair started growing like crazy. So if you are tired of that slow hair growth, hair breakage, stagnant hair growth, itching scalp, hair shedding, tiny edges, bald spots, and so many of them, then this fenugreek water recipe is for you. It will change every single thing for you in just 1 week of using it. So only thing you need to do is to watch the video to the end for the full information on how this recipe works. Our first ingredient is fenugreek seed. Our second ingredient is onion. We still have third ingredient and the fourth ingredient to add in this fenugreek seed water to get that most powerful result with it. But please bear in mind, this is not a regular way to infuse fenugreek seed water for hair growth. This method I will share with you is the most powerful, the most potent, and the most effective way to use these common ingredients to get the best benefits out of them. So you need to pay close attention and watch this video to the end if you are ready to transform your hair in just 7 days of using this common, potent, effective, and powerful recipe. So to prepare this recipe, we have 2 to 3 steps to follow on this recipe, okay? Just pay close attention. So the first step is to be my clean jar, transfer 2 to 3 spoons of my fenugreek seed. Next thing now is pour in hot water and I'll cover it up to keep it aside to infuse for 12 hours. So once it's 12 hours, this is what we have so far. As you can see, the fenugreek have ladies in nutrient. The water is super dark now, meaning that this fenugreek water is super potent. So I'll be needing a help of bowl and my shifter to collect my fenugreek spray water. So moving on to the second step of this preparation of this powerful recipe, I bring another bowl and I'll pour some of this amount of this my fenugreek water into this bowl. As you can see, I divide it into 2, but it's not that into 2. The other one is bigger than the other one, so I'll keep them aside and bring my onion. Now this is my onion. It can use purple onion, it can use white onion, okay? So anyone you find available, please feel free to make use of it. So I bring my knife to peel off my onion to remove the skin of the onion. So don't worry, I'll be telling you the benefits of these powerful ingredients we are using in this video, okay? So after peeling it off, next thing I will do now, I bring the other bowl that contains my fenugreek water, the one that's a little amount of the fenugreek water. Remember, I share it into 2, but the other part is bigger than this particular one. I'm slicing my onion into it. I hope you're understanding me. So as you can see now, I'm slicing the onion into the fenugreek water, okay? So I'm just dicing it as little as I can. So after dicing them, I will move to the next step. So next step now is to bring my hand blender to blend it. So you can use your normal blender to blend it. It's very important you blend it, okay? So if you don't have blender or hand blender, please do not worry. I will tell you what to do later on, okay? But it's very important you blend this recipe if you are ready to get that best result with this recipe, okay? So after blending it into a very smooth paste, this is what I have so far. So moving on to the next thing now, this part is also very important because you don't want onion residues or onion particles to stuck on your hair. So you need to bring something that have very tiny hole, like your wig cap, your sheep cloths, your stockings, your hanky, so that it can strain it out. Guys, if onion particles definitely stuck on your hair, is a nightmare. You never like to experience such. So make sure you use something that have very tiny hole to strain it, to avoid you giving yourself double work. I hope you're understanding me. So I bring my bowl and my sheep cloth to strain out this onion juice and fenugreek water out of it. I make sure I squeeze it properly to get them out, because I don't want to waste any single thing in this recipe. Okay, so after straining it, this is the beautiful juice I have so far. Now the next thing I do now, I bring the other of my fenugreek water recipe. I combine them together. Yes, I combine them together. It's very, very important you do it the way I did it if you want to get that best result. So the next ingredient now to add on it, another game changer of this recipe, is rose water. Guys, I've been sleeping on rose water. I don't know that rose water is very powerful. Rose water is very, very potent in our hair. Don't worry, I'll be telling you the benefits of this ingredient we use on this video, and you'll be very shocked at their benefits. You'll be very shocked at the result you got in using these common ingredients. So what I did next now, I used 2 to 3 spoons of my rose water. So I mix it properly. After mixing it, I bring this my spray bottle and funnel to transfer my amazing hair growth remedy, my amazing hair growth booster, into my spray bottle for easy application. Guys, cool down. Okay, there is a step to follow in this recipe if you are ready for that boost hair growth, if you are ready to see your hair transform in just 1 week of using only this remedy. Just keep on watching. So now let me show you how to use this amazing hair remedy and this amazing hair growth booster to get that crazy result in 1 week of using it. But before I tell you the most powerful way to use it, let me tell you the benefit of the ingredients we use in this video. There are more ingredients we still use later on. Okay, so but first of all, let's mention this third ingredient we have already used. Okay, so our first ingredient is fenugreek seed. Fenugreek, the ancient miracle seed. This tiny seed might look simple, but is a century-old secret for strong, beautiful hair. Fenugreek is packed with natural proteins and nicotinous acid, 2 powerful nutrients that fuel your scalp, strengthen weak strands, and wake up sleeping hair follicles. When you use it consistently, it literally tells your hair it's time to grow again. It also reduces dandruff, stop hair shedding, and gives your hair that thickness, bouncing volume we all dreaming of. So if your hair ever made you lose confidence, fenugreek will help you fall in love with your hair again. So our second ingredient is onion. Onion, the growth booster that revive every strand. Onion juice is one of the natural strongest hair healers. It's rich in sulfur, which helps your hair grow faster, thicker, and stronger from the roots. It improves blood flow to your scalp, meaning more nutrients, more oxygen, and more faster hair growth. It also fights scalp infection, reduce thinning hair, and also help new baby hair to grow. I used to think my hair would never grow again until onion showed me my scalp just needed a little wake-up call. Now the almighty rose water. Rose water is like a letter to your hair, softness, gently, and healing. It balances your scalp pH, reduce itchiness, and bring that natural shine back to your hair. It also keep your hair smelling beautiful while calming any irritation from the onion or fenugreek. Together with these other 2 ingredients, it transforms your hair routine into something that feels luxurious, relaxing, and powerful. It's more than just hair care. Rose water make your hair feel love again. Wonderful. I say again, wonderful. Please, if you know that rose water can give you this amazing benefits on your hair, please let me know in comment section below, okay? So now, how to use this recipe on your hair to get that crazy results? You just need to apply it on your hair. Massage your scalp very, very well. After massaging your scalp, cover up your hair with your shower cap, your cellophane nylon, or your steamy cap. Allow it to sit on your hair for 2 hours to 3 hours. After then, rinse it out with a plain clean water. Okay, then moisturize your hair. So now the second way is to use it as your leave-in treatment. Okay, so these are the most powerful 2 ways you can use this recipe to get that crazy results. Be consistent with it for 1 week, and believe me, you will see massive transformation on your hair, especially your hair shedding, hair breakage, your thinning hair, and your growth in general. You will see a huge transformation with this recipe. If you're using it as your rinse out treatment, make sure your hair is clean. Do not use it on a dirty hair, and also make sure that when you are using it, make sure you have full access to your scalp, okay? Because the hair growth is coming from the scalp. All the benefits you need with this recipe is from the scalp. Don't ever joke with this recipe. So the bonus tip I want to share with you guys is to use it in a warm form. Don't use it in a cold form, okay? Just heat it up a little bit and apply it on your hair. Believe me, if you can do this, especially if your hair is low porosity, if you can follow this step, you will see that your hair transform like crazy. Guys, there's no joke. Please use this recipe the way I just direct you, and believe me, you will get the amazing benefits you can ever imagine, okay? So make sure whenever you use it, make sure you see in with oil. You can also add essential oil to this recipe, okay, before I start using it on your hair, or your normal oil before I start using it on your hair. But I choose not to add it, okay, so that some of you will not get confused, okay? I know that this recipe looks so simple, but believe me, this recipe is one of the most powerful, potent recipe I have ever used. If you are ready to see huge difference before ending of this 2025, because we have about 3 months to 4 months to say bye-bye to 2025, and if you have not yet achieved your hair goals, only this recipe alone can help you to achieve that. Just be patient and be consistent, and use it the way I just direct you, and believe me, you will see that magic start happening. You don't need to break the bank. You don't need to spend thousands of money before you can reach your hair goals, before you can solve those your hair problem, before you can thicken up that your hair and stop those breakage and see your hair transform, have that healthy hair and that fuller hair. Just simple remedy like this will help you to achieve your hair goal. So please be serious with this remedy, okay? It will help you a whole lot, okay? And please make sure you join this beautiful family if you are ready to see your hair transform before ending of this year, because I will bring in great videos for you guys so that it can grow your hair like never before this year will run out, so that you will enter 2026 with a healthy, longer, fuller, natural hair, okay? So guys, I have come to end of today's video. If there's anything I did not cover up in this video, please feel free to let me know in comment section below, okay? So please make sure you join this amazing family, and once you subscribe, turn on your post notification bell to all, so that YouTube will notify you whenever I drop beautiful videos like this, okay? And also please help me to like this video, because it helps the growth of the channel, and also it motivates me a lot to bring out more beautiful videos like this for you guys, okay? And also help me to share this video, okay, so that it will help thousands of people out there, okay? Thank you so much for doing all that for me. I really appreciate you guys. I do not take you on granted, okay? I love you guys so much, but God love you more. See you guys on my next video. Remain blessed out there. Bye.